Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This reading is for top international leaders. This card is for Xi Jinping, Vladimir Putin, Donald Trump, Qamar Javed Bajwa. He is Pakistan Army Chief, but ultimately he only rules Pakistan. Imran Khan is just a puppet. Then British PM Boris Johnson, French PM Emmanuel Macron. Then these are the cards for outcome cards for India-China relations, US-China relations, and India-Pakistan relations. So I'll start with Emmanuel Macron. Now, his card of the month for October 2020 is Hanged Man. So looks like whatever he will do, he will get opposite results. Or if he is thinking of starting a project, it will get stuck. So not a good month for Emmanuel Macron. Then British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, again a good month for him. So looks like reaping the rewards of the hard work. So I can see the gains, political gains or financial gains. But yes, better than average month for him, British Prime Minister. Then Bajwa, Pakistani General Bajwa, not at all a good month for him. Things will not go as expected. So he should not try any adventurism on LOC with India. Then Vladimir Putin, Lover's card, looks like excellent month for him. Whatever he will do, that will he will get success. That's what I can see. Lover's card, blessings are there. Xi Jinping, Chinese president, he will be on defensive. Look at this card. Lots of challenges. People are ready to go after him and he is on defensive. Then you love him or hate him, but you cannot ignore him. The Donald Trump, justice card for him. So when justice card came, I thought of taking out a supporting card for that to understand what exactly will be the outcome of this card for him, Donald Trump. So Moon card looks like some kind of judgment will go against his order, or if he is thinking if he has passed an order and if the case is in the court, then court will give an order which is not favorable to him. So he will be on the wrong side of the law. Then India-China relationship, again not good month for both the sides. China may try some kind of adventurism on LAC, but if at all they will try something, they will suffer huge heartbreak for China. So they should just keep quiet. If they will try anything, they are going to lose badly. US-China relationship, for USA, disappointment again, and for China, looks like moving towards safety. moving away from trouble. So here we can clearly see Xi Jinping, why Xi Jinping will be defensive, because of India-China and US-China relationship. Now India-Pakistan relations. When it comes to India-Pakistan relations, outcome for India is India will be quiet. But when it comes to Pakistan, they will carry on with their propagandas. But since the card for Pakistan Army Chief General Bajwa suggests that things will not go as expected, so it will not matter much to India, and that's why this card, Four of Swords. So that's it for now. If I'll request viewers to suggest me names of other international leaders. If you want me to take out cards from them also, I will certainly do it. Also keep suggesting me new ideas for tarot readings when it comes to USA or Britain or Europe as a whole, or Africa, wherever you are watching. If you have any ideas or suggestions for me, please feel free to write it in a comment, and I'll certainly work on it. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.